Are you building your dream house in the US? You want a 5-star interior design, but when you work in the local building material shops, you find the options are very limited and the price is totally ridiculous. So many people tell me they know Chinese material is great and cheap, but they are too scared to buy them. Why? Because they are worried about getting scammed, end up with totally junk, and deal with a huge hassle with custom clearance. Today, I'm gonna show you how smart the developers and homeowners get all materials for the entire house directly from the source factories, one stop, and save over 30% on the budget. Usually, you're gonna go to one store for tiles, another for windows, and a third for kitchen cabinets. And that means you're dealing with like 10 different suppliers. What if other window sizes are wrong? What if the floor colors clash with the doors? It is total a nightmare. That's exactly why we need a one-stop solution. With us, everything starts with design. We don't just sell materials, we are your project manager, even if you are miles away. We'll match up your kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, flooring, doors and windows perfectly based on your floor plan. Same cohesive style, but on measurements. As the best part, we put everything into a single container. You just pay the shipping fee once and get delivery once. Simple as that. Let's get into the details. This is our standard for the USA market. Take this kitchen cabinet for example. We use RTA technology, which saves you 50% on ocean flame alarm. And then let's check out flooring. It's SPC, clip lock flooring, waterproof and fire resistant. Your contractor gonna love this stuff because it installs so quickly and can save you a ton of labor costs. Check out this home we designed recently for an American client. This is the super popular French clean style right now. The client couldn't find this vibe locally, but we recreate the rendering for him 100% spot on. What about quality? We will send you a detailed inspection video before shipping. You can even hire a third party to come check the quality at our factory. We'll handle all custom clearance paperwork right up until the container arrives at your port. Got a house plan in hand? Don't hesitate. Click the link below the video or WhatsApp me directly. Send over your house plan and we'll get a simple design concept and quote within 24 hours. Don't settle for less on your dream home. I'm trying. Please contact me. I'm waiting for you in the factory.